Ripping hot. Listen to that. Listen to that sizzle.
Good.
Hi, I'm Nick from Crowd Cow. Welcome to Cut of the Week. I'm here with Joe, our CEO and co-founder. And this week we're featuring flat iron steaks from Hatarian Farm. Joe, tell me about Hatarian.
So yeah, we work with lots of little farms all across the country, always direct from farm. This one we've got today to work with is called Hatarian Farm. They're in northeastern Washington. They're a self-sustaining agriculture-based society that grows everything they need, and they don't use any modern equipment. Cows out on open pastures, eating grasses, and then they're finished using peas and corn that are grown right on the farm.
Nice.
Beautiful flavor profile. They're used for the ground beef for Shake Shack's signature burger in Seattle. I gotta ask you about concerning flat iron. I know this is a cut that butchers keep for themselves, and it comes from a part of the animal that goes to ground beef. I know I've seen it at restaurants on menus. You can't find it in grocery stores, and we've got it, but why is it special?
I mean, this is a perfect example of that butcher's cut, chef's cut like you were talking about. And really the key with this is versatility. It's very tender. It has a great beef flavor. And the best part about it is you can put salt and pepper, sear it in a cast iron pan. You can smoke it, you can grill it, you can marinate it, you can dry rub it. You can slice it for a sandwich or a taco, or you can leave it whole for a center of the plate protein. You're gonna be very successful no matter how you cook it, how you season it. It's very versatile. Again, I like to call it the Swiss Army knife of steaks, and you know that's why I love it. We're going over to ripping hot. Listen to that. Listen to that sizzle. Wow, that sounds great. Medium rare is perfect. The higher temperature, internal temperature you cook these steaks to, the tougher they're gonna get. Time is not exactly the best way to measure cooking a steak. Temperature is really the measurement that matters. So I like to cook these steaks to 127 degrees, direct high heat application like this. You're gonna sous vide them, cook them to 130. 127 with carryover cooking is gonna get you to about 130, which is medium rare. I think because these are nice and thin, they really don't take that long. You could probably get away with probably 2 or 3 minutes per side, and then turn the heat down, take your temperature, and let them finish off at a low heat. And by the time everybody sits down and is ready to eat, that'll be absolutely enough time to rest your steak. If you're like me and our meat's so good that half the time doesn't make it off the cutting board, give it 5 minutes per inch of thickness. That's just a general rule of thumb.